Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. This is my art vlog covering sort of autumn to midwinter. It's been quite hectic, hence the lack of vlogs, because I'm not as organised as I should be on that front and haven't done in advance, because obviously it's a bit difficult when a lot of them are kind of seasonal as well. You can't really do them in advance too much. I've had a lot of orders, especially for Christmas cards this year, and I've had to put some new systems and packaging in place to get those out efficiently. And then I've also had all the prep for the winter fairs, which is always a lot of work, but really worth doing. And you get to meet your customers, which is great, and you get more feedback and encouragement, which is always a good thing when you're working on your own. So I wanted to show you some of the scenery around about, some of Chichester, which is near where I live. We had this lovely exhibition on in the cathedral called the Peace Doves. So I want to give you a little glimpse of that and some of the autumn scenery before we get into all the winter scenery. Anyway, get yourself a nice cup of tea or coffee or drink of your choice. Sit back and relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. See you later. Well, here we are in preparation for the show. I'm doing a winter fair this weekend, and so it's all go in the studio. I've got extra tables out just so it makes it easier for mounting and framing, and then also packing orders that I've got to do for Christmas. Lots of Christmas cards are selling, which is great, but it's keeping all the balls in the air as you prepare for a show as well. So last night I dug everything out of the garage, which was a feat in itself. So I've got most things out, but obviously then I'll go through my checklist to make sure I don't forget anything, because it's too far. I'll be staying overnight over in the area. It's too far to come back if I forget anything. I'm going to an art gallery to collect some stuff so I don't have to remount things, and that'll save a bit of time. So yeah, it's going to be a busy few weeks, but obviously this time of the year is usually the time when retailers and people, crafters and artists make a lot of their income, so it's a really good time of year as well. Now 2023 has been slightly different. The beginning of the year for me was quite slow, but it's definitely picked up in the last couple of months, which has been a relief. Because when you're self-employed, you know, it's not totally predictable what's going to happen. And although I love it, that is one of the downsides. So I'm going to check through all the framed prints that I have, make sure There's no little nicks in the frames and things like that, no dust in the frames. There shouldn't be because they're all sealed at the back. Yeah, but just check them over, because otherwise it's not good to discover that once you're on your stand and someone's interested in buying it. Although you can always give a slight discount if there is a little scratch or a dent. I prefer there not to be. So let's get busy. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, a little insight into life as an artist around the Christmas season and how busy it can get, and also seeing the lovely city of Chichester and the exhibition that they had in the cathedral of the peace doves. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.